Welcome to this latest vlog from Hartlepool College of Further Education. Today in the UK there are 41 million vehicles on our roads. That's motorcycles, cars, vans like commercial vehicles, buses, coaches, large and heavy goods vehicles. And that's a lot of vehicles to service and maintain to ensure that they are roadworthy. Here at the college, automotive engineering is a great part of our wider engineering provision, and we look to getting our students into work in mechanic workshops, car dealerships, bus, coach and haulage firms. Lessons are delivered here in this wonderful automotive facility. As you can see, it's petrol, diesel engines, hybrid vehicles and also electric vehicles. Delivered by wonderful staff such as Mark, and combined the staff have got over 100 years of experience in industry. So automotive engineering at Hartlepool College of Further Education. Great curriculum, wonderful facilities, superb staff, and we've got a long and well-established track record of getting people into work. This is what we do. Thank you for watching this vlog.